1. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar, observed by Muslims worldwide. 2. It is a holy month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. 3. Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs. 4. The fast is broken each evening with a meal called iftar, often shared with family and friends. 5. Suhoor is the pre-dawn meal consumed before the fast begins. 6. Ramadan commemorates the revelation of the Quran to Prophet Muhammad. 7. It is a time for spiritual growth, self-discipline, and empathy for the less fortunate. 8. Muslims engage in increased prayer, recitation of the Quran, and acts of charity. 9. Tarawih prayers are special nightly prayers performed during Ramadan. 10. The month encourages forgiveness, gratitude, and strengthening family bonds.